Hi, my name is Kameshwari. My metric number is 30DLS20F1034. Today, our business project title is about seal and solar production system.
My name is Shamina Hamiza Mituzikifli. My number metric is 30DLS20F1007.
Hi, my name is Kirtika Anupampan R. Shanmugam. My matrix number is 30DLS20F1015.
My name is Farhazifa binti Nur Hazam. My number matrix 30DLS20F1005. I'm from DLS5B.
1980, Freight Union founded a freight forwarding company in Germany. Over the last 130 years, Freight Union has evolved from a traditional shipping company to a global logistic partner that offer highly specialized solutions for major industries worldwide. Its strong market positions like this in the sea freight, air freight, contract logistics, road logistics, and road logistics. Its strong position lie in the sea logistics, air logistics, project logistics, road logistics, logistic business, which with a clear focus on providing IT integrated logistic business. Freight Union uses SEAL system, which is SEAL production system, to key in data and checking scaling schedules and so on. This system used by Freight Union around the world. It can easily to track goods and trace information as well from country to country, department, branch as well. In 1980, Freight Union founded a freight forwarding company in Germany. Over the last 130 years, Freight Union has evolved from a traditional shipping company to a global logistic partner that offer highly specialized solutions for major industries worldwide. Its strong market positions like this in the sea freight, air freight, contract logistics, road logistics, and road logistics. Its strong position lie in the sea logistics, air logistics, project logistics, road logistics, logistic business, which with a clear focus on providing IT integrated logistic business. Freight Union uses SEAL system, which is SEAL production system, to key in data and checking scaling schedules and so on. This system used by Freight Union around the world. It can easily to track goods and trace information as well from country to country, department, branch as well. Let's see the problem statement. First, responsibility of logistic professional. Logistic operators' activities is essential not only to enhance their business consolidation but also to achieve resource savings and improve their entire supply chain operation. Second is decision affecting the planning levels. Okay, what we can see through this decision in supply chain management often can affect three planning levels, which is strategic, tactical, and operational. The main distinction between these planning level have to do with the time frame or planning horizon, as well as specifics of the problem description and management. Objective primarily because it's a possible distinction between key information and unimportant data, simplify complicated topics, and foster transparency. Well, the third is key performance indicators. KPIs serve as a foundation for benchmarking, process analysis, and process of improvement. Objective of the project. First, to define the problem faced by Freight Union. Second, make innovation to faced by Freight Union. Third is to evaluate problems faced by Freight Union. Is the scope of the project. First, user-friendly. Okay, that is easy to access, track the goods and key information in the system, so it's quite easy to use it. Well, second is implementation of new program, which is applying commands inside the computer. Programming can create executional measurements and KPIs, and make computer models to foresee supply chain issues. Third is quickly analyzing large amount of data. We can search for any data. It make it faster and can store up a large amount of data into the system, and it's up to can save and restore it for about 10 years.
Advantages of using Salog system. It reduces human labor because this application has facilitated the work between the two parties to manage the process of delivery of goods to customers. This system is a transparency with one file concept. It's easier and more reliable process due to automation and have a better management support. And it is also a user-friendly interface. Transportation planning. Along the supply chain, several key decisions must be made and adjusted according to customer demand. These decisions have different implications at different stages. They may involve the fairly simple question, which vehicle should be scheduled next for a given route? The first one is identification and analysis of decision-making problems. Next, characterizing the organization's goals. Third, predicting future developments. Fourth, identification and evaluation of feasible solutions. And the last one is also select alternative solutions for informed decision making. Vehicle scheduling. Vehicle scheduling is divided into three parts: vehicle handling, fleet size, and fleet allocation. The vehicle scheduling problem arises when a logistic operator or logistic service provider (LSP) in a transportation network needs to manage a fleet of vehicles to serve customers in the current prospect of customer demand. Therefore, the optimal fleet size for a transportation network requires certain trade-offs to achieve the benefits of meeting target requirements, the fixed cost of a vehicle or fleet of vehicles, and the penalties incurred for not meeting requirements. However, to fill the request, vehicle allocation and redistribution, that is, vehicles are in different locations, must take into account the fulfillment requirements of using vehicles at a particular location.
Logistic information system. First, a system records and reports whether paper-based or electronic. In this company, we use electronic system to keep information because it's easy to research back, such as container number, delivery time, and so on to inform to the customer. Second, analyze, validate, and display data from all levels to logistic system that can be used to make logistic decisions. When we use the system, the information about shipment to deliver goods will be now files and is organized with the label pad to give the customer. There are three elements that make up the logistic information system. First, input. We will receive data from the customer to make a shipment such as commercial invoice and a package list. Second, database. We will key in the data that we get from the customer and book the date of shipment to deliver the goods to the customer. Third, output. When we have already confirmed the date of shipment with the customer, we give the document BL or bill of lading to the customer. Electronic data interchange is the computer-to-computer exchange of business document in a standard electronic format between business partners. Exchange data files. When use this system, we exchange file document more fast than manual because manual have to print out all the document and save the file and email and attach the file or email to customer, so it makes a times to transfer without use EDI. Second, organize. With EDI, the data will be organized and it will be easy to research back to the old document from the past and check only the type on the system. Will find it easily than using a manual such as paper, which has to research where the past document is and make a lot of time to search with a lot of files. Third, save time. With EDI, we will save time because the system is easy, user-friendly, and fast to complete and search the data about shipment for informing the customer. Fourth, reduce cost and environment. The company will save on the cost of buying paper and ink to give the customer a document shipment, and it will also help reduce environmental. The impact of IT towards logistics. First, data transfer fast between companies. The data of service in communication with the customer is crucial in business in order to achieve customer satisfaction and positive response to the service. To exchange the files of document is fast. Second, increase productivity. When the service are fast and the customer is satisfied with the shipment of goods such as that the goods are safe and not damaged, the productivity of the company will increase and the customer will repeat the order again. Third, a competitive advantage in development. All companies will make a competitive effort to upgrade their management system IT to process the goods more smoothly.
Custom form is an important document used by foreign customs to clear goods when export or import. The value of the goods must be declared on the custom declaration at the time of shipment. In this, we can avoid fraud as well as smuggling of goods during export and import. Types of custom forms. We have 5 types of custom forms. First, K1, Declaration of Goods Import. K2, Declaration of Goods Export. K3, Permit to transport goods within the Federation. K8, Permit to remove goods. And K9, Permit to remove dutiable goods. Okay, this is an example of custom forms. Document for the declaration forms. First, delivery order. Second, packing list. Third, invoice. Fourth, bill of lading. 5, certificate of origin. And 6, import license. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. In this chapter, we have 3 phases. Phase 1, we do research about the project. Phase 2, we collect the data by the Google form in the company. And phase 2, we want to know the objective achieved or not. Data collection method. Okay, this is a question we give to employees in the company about the Salok system. We want to know how the Salok system can go. Chapter 4, Result of Data Analysis and Discussion. In this topic, we will see the respondent agree or not with the question given about the system Salok through Google Form. 1. Does the implementation of the Salok system benefit the company? From the pie chart, 83 respondents agree that the company will benefit from using the Salok system, while 70 respondents disagree. More than a half respondents agree the Salok system can benefit the company over a long period of time. 2. Will the Salok system be able to make the transmission of information faster for customer? From the pie chart above, 80 respondents were satisfied with the use of the Salok system because information such as a bill of lading and invoice in one file per shipment given to customer could be faster, while 20 respondents disagree. Third, is the Salok system safe to use by the logistic operators in the company? The pie chart above shows 22 respondents disagree that the Salok system is not safe to use, while more than half of the 78 respondents agree that the Salok system is safe to use in the company because it has a good security system, such as having keywords that only knows to the logistic operators in the company.
4. Is the Salok system safe to use by logistic operators in the company? Pie chart shows the respondent agrees is 78% because the system safe to use for keeps all information and privacy for customers such as address, number point, and so on. Meanwhile, 23% respondent not agrees the system Salok is safe to use. 5. Will the company KPI will be raise the Salok system? Pie chart shows the respondent agrees is 80% because the Salok system has more complete and manageable information by using only one page stream system without opening many page screen. The respondent not agrees is 20%. 6. Is the Salok system user-friendly compared to the SIL system? Pie chart shows respondent agree is 78% because it is very easy to find information with the Salok system in handling. It is easy to use to look for information in shipping such as that ship will reach the destination and customer information and so on. Meanwhile, respondent not agrees is 22%.
At the top of this project, we tend to hope that the study of our project can highlight the distinctiveness and practicality of Salok system that is fascinating and helpful to all and or any potential users. As a result of our project, we hope to supply one thing that may facilitate the trade within the future. Thank you.